What is trip generation? Every day, people make lots of trips for many reasons. These trips are like the city's heartbeat, keeping everything alive and moving. And just like a heartbeat, we need to keep it healthy and strong. Think about all the places you go in a week: school, soccer practice, or the grocery store. Each trip is a beat of our city's heart. Trip generation is a way to guess how many trips people will make. It's like guessing how many candies are in a jar, but for trips. Planners use this to make sure there's room for everyone. Can you imagine if everyone decided to go to the park at the same time? That's why we need to guess. Well, it helps keep traffic jams away and makes sure buses aren't too full. It's all about making trips faster and safer. Have you ever been late because of a traffic jam? Guessing trips helps us to avoid that. To make good guesses, planners need lots of information. They count cars, ask people questions, and even watch how bikes move through the city. It's a big job, but every bit of data helps. Once they have the data, it's time to look for patterns. Do more people take the bus when it rains? Are the roads busier when school starts? Finding patterns helps planners make better guesses. Patterns are like clues in a detective story, leading us to solve the mystery of the city's movement. With patterns figured out, planners build a model. It's like creating a mini city where they can try out different ideas. It's a fun way to see what might happen without changing the real city. The model isn't just for fun. It's a tool to predict the future. Planners can see what might happen if a new shop opens or if a road gets wider. It's like having a crystal ball for the city. What do you think would happen if we added a new playground near your school? Predictions help planners make big decisions. They decide where to build new playgrounds, where buses should stop, and how to make walking to school safer. Every decision helps shape our city's future. Planners don't make these decisions alone. They need your ideas and opinions too. That's why they hold meetings and ask for your help to make the city a place everyone loves. What's one change you'd like to see in your city? Technology is a big help to planners. They use computers, drones, and even satellites to gather data quickly. It's like having superpowers that help them understand the city better. Imagine you had a drone. What would you use it to look at in our city? Planners also care about the environment. They plan trips that are good for the earth, like encouraging biking or using electric buses. It's all about keeping our city green and clean. Sometimes planners face tough challenges like fixing broken roads or dealing with too many cars. But they work hard to find solutions that keep our city happy and healthy. The work planners do affects us every day. It makes it easier for us to get around, whether we're going to school, the park, or just out for some fun. It's all thanks to careful planning. Maybe one day you'll be the one making the city a better place. With trip generation modeling, you could plan new parks, roads, and even whole neighborhoods. The future is in your hands. What's the first thing you'd plan if you were in charge?